Hey guys, it's Richard Butler, and as I promised, I wanted to do a recording using the Krisp microphone outside in a busy cafe. Unfortunately, right now it's August in Barcelona and everybody's on holidays, so the cafe is not as busy as it could be, but you should hear background noise. So what I want to do is, let me tell you the setup first. I'm using my Mac and I'm using the uh, built-in microphone, so you should be able to pick up a lot of ambient noise. And what I'm now going to do is I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to turn on Krisp. Now what does Krisp do? Well, Krisp is a virtual microphone that cancels out the background noise. So it's ideal because you may have experienced this, that you're in a busy office and you have to do a call and there's so much noise and you can't find a meeting room and it's just really, really noisy. Or you're working at home and there's general background noise, or you have the TV on and you have general background noise. Or you're in an airport and you're trying to connect to a conference call or record a video or a podcast, and of course there's noise. So you should have got a good feeling of the noise that's around me at the moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to record with Krisp enabled. Okay guys, I'm back, and this time I have Krisp enabled. So you should hear that there is a huge difference in the actual quality of the background noise, or the lack of background noise. So what Krisp does is you install the Krisp application, and then whenever you want to actually do a recording, you select the Krisp virtual microphone. And what the Krisp virtual microphone does is on your local computer, it processes the sound and reduces the background noise in real time. So it's much like noise cancelling headphones, but all of the processing is done on your actual computer. So it's not sent to the cloud, so there's no privacy issues, they're not recording us, etc. And who should purchase Krisp? And there's a special app-sumo deal, and I'll put a link just in the description or in the comments below. So who should get Krisp? Well, really anybody who uses their laptop while they're out and about, or even at home, because I'm sure you've also experienced it, that you were recording something and a dog starts to bark or a siren sound, and then it's like, oh my God, nobody can actually hear me now. There's a lot of background noise here, so what would have to be cut out right now. Um, so Krisp is software based. It's $39 for a lifetime deal, which is that it never expires and you get all the updates included as well. And I think it is an essential tool for anybody who podcasts or records webinars or joins conference calls. So for business people who travel a lot, essential. For digital nomads, essential. For podcasters, essential. And as I say, it's super simple to install. You just download the executable file, whether it's Mac or PC. You load it up. You sign into your account with your AppSumo account details, and then it's installed. A little icon appears at the top of your computer, and you can always check whether the background noise is muted or unmuted. And then when you go to use any application like Skype or Zoom, you just select your microphone, and instead of selecting internal microphone or external microphone, you select the Krisp microphone. So hopefully that's given you a good overview. I would really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, if you share this video, if you are considering purchasing Krisp. I have a link below, and I would really appreciate if you use that link. So listen, guys, I'll talk to you very, very soon.